Hello everyone. I want to welcome y'all back to Kathy's Creole Kitchen. I want to thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to make something really neat. This is Rosalind Carter's strawberry cake recipe. I ran across it and I said, we should try this because it's just a hack of a box of cake mix. This is a box of classic white Duncan Hines cake mix, a 3-ounce box of strawberry jello, and 1 pint of frozen strawberries. You can use frozen or fresh, but these are organic. I try to use organic whenever I can. 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of oil, 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna do a cup of pecans and 4 eggs. And I know you're wondering, why the pecans? I don't know, that's what the recipe says. So we're gonna do it together and we're gonna see how delicious. I think it's gonna be delicious because it's gonna be very moist. And let's talk about liking the recipes. So I've been reading over some of the comments. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every comment you guys give. Make sure to like the videos and subscribe to my page. I would love for you to get your friends to subscribe to my page, Kathy's Creole Kitchen, because it helps me a lot. It lets me know if this is reaching audiences and helping people, because I love to cook certain things and I love to share it with you guys. So please, by all means, let me know how the recipes are working out for you, or if you have adjusted it in any way to satisfy your needs. Let me know how it came out. But you know, not enough of you are leaving comments about making it and then telling me how it turned out. That's what I want to know. I want to know if you made it, or if you know, if your family liked it, or something they didn't like about it. It's okay, just tell me. So I've got I don't chop up the pecans. I parch them in the oven, and then I just crumble them with my fingers, because after you parch them, they're pretty easy to crumble. So I've got the cup of pecans. So as per usual, I'm going to beat my 4 eggs before I add it. Always beat them so that they'll be all together, because with this recipe, you're just gonna put it all in the bowl and then you're gonna blend it. And instead of making a cake, I'm going to make cupcakes. And if you want to make a cake, you have to use, it would be preferred if you use a angel food pan, because I think with all this extra stuff in it, it's probably gonna stick. So you don't want it to do that. You want it to be nice and wonderful when you cook it, and be able to eat it and enjoy it. So let's put the cake mix in. This is a box of white cake mix. Put that in there. 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 pint of frozen organic strawberries. Get them all in there. 1 3-ounce box of jello. Let's get it in here. Jello gelatin, yum. 1 cup of chopped pecans and parched, and 4 eggs. And we're just gonna put it all in there. And we're gonna mix it up probably about 2 minutes. So let me get this on here. So you want to start the blender on low, because you don't want everything to scatter everywhere. So and I forgot the 2 tablespoons of flour. You also got to add 2 tablespoons of flour, because you're putting those wet strawberries in there, and that'll give it a better consistency. So we got that in there. Now it's blended. Now I'm going to turn it up, and I'm going to do it for probably about 2 minutes. So I'll get back to you after we've got it all blended. So it's been blended about a minute, so I'm going to turn it off, because the thing about cakes is you don't want to over blend them, because I don't know if this makes sense to you or not, because if you over blend it, it makes it tough, and I don't want it to be tough. So I'm going to stop it now. And look how beautiful the batter comes out. That white cake mix is perfectly strawberry pink because of the strawberries that we put in there. I'm going to take the beater off, put it in the sink, And then we're gonna just add it to each of the cupcakes. I'm gonna do 18. Normally it might make 24, but I want them a little bit bigger. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And here's a little tip. In case the batter bubbles over onto the pan, I just oil the top of the pan because I don't want the cake to stick when I'm ready to take it out. So I'm gonna get all these, get the batter poured into all of these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I have filled up the tins, the muffin tins. I got them with muffin tin liners. We're gonna put them in the oven, in 350 degree preheated oven, and we're gonna cook them from anywhere from 21 to 24 minutes. So we're going to make sure they're cooked all the way through, and then we're going to take them out and let them cool. So let me set the timer. The timer for, I'm gonna set it for 24 minutes, but like I say, we can take it out before then. That's just the maximum amount of time that you want to cook it. So let's let it bake and see how it turns out, and I'll get right back with you. All righty, it's been cooking for 23 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out now. I'm gonna off the heat, turn it off. Get the cooling rack over here. Pull it out. They smell so good. The fragrance from them is so delicious. So they came out pretty good looking. Now, you're not going to be able to frost them until they completely cool, but I can show them to you. This is how they came out. They look marvelous. I just got a little pan of extra, and I'm just gonna pop it in the oven now. These are great looking. They're gonna be easy to pull off of here because, like I said, I put some oil on the pan so that they wouldn't stick. And then we're gonna frost them after they completely cool. Now, the frosting that Rosalind Carter suggested was whipped cream topping. Because, as you know, a lot of people are allergic to dairy, I am going to do Cool Whip topping. And you can put the Cool Whip topping on there, or you can do a buttercream frosting, or you can do the heavy whipped cream, or you can get the ready whip and just squeeze it on and make it real cute. Whatever you want to do. And I might do some ready whip on it and show you how it looks, but it's her recipe calls for whipped cream topping. So after they cool, we're going to frost them, and I'll show you a couple of different ways to do it. Okay, so the cupcakes have cooled. Let's see them here. And I'm going to show you two different things to ice. One is with Cool Whip because it's a whip topping that doesn't have much dairy, and this is ready whip. It's a real cream. So we're going to shake this one up. And we're going to take it. And we're just going to go around it. Nice little circle of yummalicious cream. That's one way to serve it. And then the other way to serve it is with the Cool Whip. Now, if you want to garnish it with a strawberry, please feel free to, because I'm sure that will be delicious, but it's already full of strawberry. So I don't think we're having issues. So this is the two. This is the ready whip. This is the Cool Whip. Now, let's just taste a little bite and see how it tastes. My mouth is watering. I have to say, it's pretty good. It is very good. Let me get another bite. And the pecans in there are very subtle. You get a little texture in your bite. See the inside? Inside is really pretty. Yummy. So that's all it is to it. Just follow the instructions and you won't have a problem making it. It's delicious. Again, you can use Ready Whip, you can use Cool Whip, or you can make your own heavy whipping cream yourself. Thank you so much for joining Kathy's Creole Kitchen this week. Please join me again next week for another new and exciting recipe. Like my videos and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much, and y'all have a great rest of your week.